Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Guys, today in this video I'll be talking about one of the most interesting sketch tool that is called sketch block. So let's open the sketch. A sketch block in Solidworks provide a simple and useful method of grouping the entities together. More than that, just grouping, you can create or perform conceptual design, like you can create the mechanism in conjunction with the block and make path. So we'll start with this sketch itself. This is a sketch that I made in previous video, so we'll start with this. So how to make the blocks? So you can see here I have here one sketch, and in this I have so many circles. So just I will go with this tools. Under tools you will be having one option block. Just click on the block, then you will be getting three options. Here you have make, which will allow you to make a new block, and here you have insert, which will allow you to insert a existing block which is already in your system. And here if you want to save the block, so we'll start with the make block. So whenever you are clicking on the make block, you will be having this make block dialog box. Here block entities, what are the component you want to convert into block. So it's your wish, according to your requirement you can select. You can select the entire sketch itself or any particular region that you want to convert into block. So I'll just select the entire sketch itself. Let's see. Now you can see here insertion point. I'll just activate. You can see here you have this option. This will be your insertion point. So I will just place it in the center itself. Then go for the OK. Now you can see here it has converted into block. How will you understand actually? You will understand through the feature manager design tree. The block is actually defined by the feature manager design tree itself. You can see here. Now it's very difficult to understand that it's a block for the beginner, but you can see you can expand the tree and you will be getting block here. You can rename it also. Just select this and right click. You will be having so many options. Rename. Okay, we'll come back to this later. Now you can see if I make any other new sketch, what will happen? Now you can see here I'm just making other sketch over there. So what is happening? You can take the line, you can draw anything, whatever. If you want to draw anything, my intention is to show you that you cannot edit this block from your sketch right now. Now if you select here trim entities, so what will happen? See, you can trim everything, but you cannot trim the block. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go back to your feature manager design tree block, right click on that. You have here option edit block. So you can see here you can make the necessary change over here, whatever you want to do. After that you have to exit from there. You can see here your exit sketcher option got changed. So you can see here right now. So your block, this is what how to modify your block. You can see just I have added one more component. It will be more clear if I do some other modifications, like I will trim this component here. Now you can see here, just go with the OK and come out from the block. So this is what how to make the block and how to edit the block. Now we will see how to export the block. Like I want to save this block in my folder and I want to use it for some other sketch, because you can add features in your feature in block itself. Like you have some sketch and you want to import that, and after importing you want to convert into 3D features, like you want to add their extrude revolve something, that also you can do. So let's see how to export the block. So you can see here, just click on this. You can see here you have here options save block. So you can give the block name, like I'm giving here block name Knowledge Lab. I'll be saving it into desktop. Then go with this OK. But before OK, just make sure you can see here the file extension for Solidworks block file .sldblk. Then go for the OK. Now already we have saved this. If you delete this also, we'll be getting that block separately. Now I'll import that again. I will show you. And here, like I don't want to get this block and I don't want to delete this also. So how to explode it? So in the same way, if you just right click over here, you will be having the options here explode. Now you can see it has got back its original properties. Now you can trim and you can do everything. So this is what how to explode a block. Now I will show you. I'll import this block not necessary that you have to import the block in the same sketch. You can import it anywhere. I'll close this and I'll open a new sketch and I'll import over there and I'll show. So just I will open a new part and take a sketch. So in the beginning, while I was telling you how to make the block, I show you one more options like insert. So click on the insert, then you have here option browse. So click on the browse. It will allow you to browse your file. So where we saved it into the desktop. In the desktop you can see here, this is our block file, that a name I have given, that is Knowledge Life. Now you can see here the file extension. If you just expand it, so here you can see the different kind of file extensions. The first one is for Solidworks file, second one is .dwg, which will allow you to import the AutoCAD block also. This also you can see DXF, data exchange format, that is supported in AutoCAD also. So you can import some AutoCAD block in Solidworks also. This is the way that how you can import AutoCAD sketch also. Like this you can import your AutoCAD sketch into Solidworks also. Just go with this. Okay, now you can see here, initially you can define like the position and the rotations and all. Suppose I want to rotate this component. Instead of doing this, we can place anywhere also, and later also we can give the relations, because it's a parametric software. Now I want to place it in the center. So for that I'll be giving the relations coincident. Click on this, hold Control key and hold this origin and go for the relations coincident. Go with this. Okay, now you can see here, this is how to import your block. Even you can see we can add the features also. We can convert this into 3D model also. Now you can see. Don't worry about extrude. I will explain you each and every options available in extrude in some other video, while I will be explaining you the 3D features. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching the videos. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the more videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.